Philippines. Good luck. It's break time.
Live, yeah. And good evening for the second game of the night. A do or die match for both teams here, fighting for the fourth and final position for our semi-finals the next week. We'll find two on the glass. First basket goes to Pablings Lapings. Do or die talaga to for both teams. It's either way, we'll take the fourth spot for semifinals. Mads with a backdoor, just slightly under. Finds Rafael up the lights. With SWAT, but no good on the glass. Nabutan yung ni Mads. Nabutan yung ni Mads. Sa akin, no? Hindi ako sure na nabutan yun. Pag nabutan yun, block yun. Huli. Good defense for San Juan. And now with a nice pass and finish. Mads Baliga. Mike opens. A little bit of setup there for the right three. Box is just staying right there on the same spot. Papunta lang ang bola sa'yo. Ipasok mo lang. Selvin. Kicks out to J. Lau for the right three. No good. Apostol will take it all the way. 6-2. Selvin out at the arc. Just slightly under on the rim. Well, beautiful ball movement here for Pablings with a beautiful finish. Grabe naman yun. Biglanganin yung kalamangan. Selvin kicks out the ball. Ball will take the three straight away. Just under it. Off to Mike. Jim, good defense again for San Juan. Nakapaglagay ng pressure and a tip for Selvin. No, wala akong foul. Mike with a nice steal. Oh, grabe. Same foot pa yun, no? Chok goes around and under, but just can't get to that address. Beautiful play.
Out of bounds, and the Allen Resorts Cluster.
Selvin takes it all the way. Basket na rin yung Giants. After basket yung Patrick Gao. Yes, sir.
14 on the shuttle.
Mismatch na sa baba.
With 14 by Abubakar.
Nakita ni Bucks na wala talaga lumalapit. Off glass na agad. Selvin, high pick up, and a nice drop. But Mars just can't get it right on the back. And that'll be a foul there.
First foul on jersey number 16, that's 3 foul. First personal foul.
They shoot for 2 here for Mike Pustol. That's one. That's only one. 4-11.
Down to 5 minutes. 14 on the shuttle.
Side out to Jeddah. And a tip goes straight. Almost makes it in there.
Jersey number 14, that is Yusong. Personal foul.
Box yung kalaban mo. So, si Mads nakapag-apak yun on the way down yung bola. Tapik niya pa-forward. Oy! Foul. That's one. 5-11. Sayang out. Ayaw, iikot to talaga. Selvin outside. So short.
Out of bounds, Providencia makes ball possession.
Fox goes for it straight away off the inbound. Sariling Chica. And will make it this time around. Bawi lang sa earlier play. Chok at the foul line. Kinto gets 2. Hey, steps in. Out to give. Tip, by the way. Now bang, right corner. Pass up this time around. Mads takes the ball outside, literally outside.
Down to 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
And Box fills it down. 3 out the arc. Scores 19. 3 minutes. Oras. 3 minutes 15 kill. 3:15 kill nante. Abla lang. 15. 1-5. 3:15 kill na si Sadja eliminations eh. Elimination na sila na. Kali. Todo sila tag-import. Takiya si ano.
Back to the bogey.
Na beach leo.
Porque todo mga ano di Selvin yung bleach.
We're down to
Burn yung
2
bleach namin.
minutes.
Skin pa man bleach. Yung dalawang kong kambal. Huwag na.
Meron na da.
Ay, hindi. Ganito. Natural yan. Natural talaga.
Hindi lang stress doon.
White person.
White hair yan?
White hair yan. Hindi yan tina. Nakalamot. Hindi yan tina. Rafael inside to Mike, open. Beautiful pass there from Paeng, finding the shorter way and easier way for the basket. Shoot those. Paeng.
14 on the shot.
Porket 21. Close lang mag
19.
19, ano yan, 19.
Oh, 19. Selvin with another 2. May 3 point man kaya, di ba? Welcome box.
Oo.
How mo yun? Paeng will take 3. Pasok! All net. Selvin goes around for reverse. Box. Hey! Hola. Actually block per taagar last si Box. Parin on the way out eh. Tough call pero tama yun eh.
Ball version number 11, that is off a song. First personal foul.
Actually, good call yun sa side ng referee. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo, aiming for block ball yun talaga yung lahat eh. In motion, wala ka magawa nun.
Good for 2 by 3 now.
Kabangan yun sa taas eh. Sa likod pa lang.
Down to 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 on the shot clock.
Ay. Actually, no, kapag may second motion pa yung si Sir Jay na pababa, may ganun pa siya tulak ko. Okay, foul na yun. Pero no, ang sila lang yung mano na bola eh. Tapos straight down naman din.
Also 1 minute.
Jib kicks it out to Paeng one more time. In and out.
Seconds to play.
Mike will take it. Ayaw. Andun kay Box. Isa pa. Ayaw pa rin. Si Paeng pa. Ayaw. And ayaw. Ball safe. Dayan finding the defensive stop they need. Will they convert? Yes, they can.
30 seconds. 25 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. 20 seconds. And to shoot.
Basket. And right lang po ko. And Box will get a foul.
Box out.
Ball versus number 6.
Sila box out na.
That is Chokchokwan.
Mahirap din.
Second versus
Saan ba
9.
parang dalawa ata maglalaban sa ikaw mag-isa eh.
Tingnan mo naman yung nasa loob for bubbling. Short. Short talaga.
5.
Chok will make it.
Chokchokwan.
And as then the first going into the second was score 15 to 26 with Prop Links leading by 11.
Daming score niya, no?
Jay, wala to, Aki. Masiyar lang yun.
May box na bigyan ni even lang namin na ayan.
Back to the Philippines, running for our second quarter.
Papalog na ata ako. Buti na lang, may papansin. Binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon makarecover. Mamabalam na sana ako dun eh. Pero di ko lang kung nasan siya. Inay na. Pero makapot lang to.
Starting for our second quarter.
It's on off the match. It's out. Vern was straight for the drive. Big leap. Almost makes it in. Just a little bit tough there on the finger roll. Patrick stops and pops. Still no good. A little bit adjustment here for the different players here for the second quarter. Nice stop by Mads. We'll take it all the way. Oh, good. Last touch for
Ball possession for Team
Paeng.
Osaka, 40 seconds to shoot.
Basketball goes through Dayan. Opposite side.
And shoot.
Swing to Kankan into Alvin. Floats it up and gets it down.
Through by Moon. From Team Osaka.
Paeng, wag niyo pabayaan sa labas.
Init na si Paeng.
Nakalimutan siguro nila ang range ni Paeng eh.
Ay, tatlong tres na yan si Paeng. Ginababawi.
Yes, sir.
Omongot.
Goes straight away. Too high on the glass. Ball rolls. Burn. Boom. Take it. And that will be a foul.
There's a foul
Hungry.
on jersey number.
Manhabol na Euro pero
There's personal foul.
o syempre man Euro, gadle. Parang sabi kita man apas pa yung mano ni Mads. Yun lang.
Elastic man yun eh.
Oo.
Sabi
Sabi,
ka dito.
plastic man. Kaya gagamboy. Nainisip na namin, nainisip ko nga din, actually. Di ba may Spider-Man, Across the Spider-Verse? Di ba dapat siya na mga outro version nila, Spider-Man? Dapat tali akil, di ba siya na drawing, yung pocket drawing ng Spider-Man? Dapat siya na Chinitamin si Gagamboy, chinitamin akil otro, chinitamin akil meme na Japanese na Spider-Man otro tamin. Dapat interact tamin kay sila. Kay version mo kay Spider-Man na otro. Kabar dapat siya sila nga sinisip namin dapat kasama si Gagamboy sa Spider Universe. Posible hindi. Filipino Spider-Man yun eh.
Yan yung nagpasikat natin. Si Bong Navarro ba yun?
No? Oo, Bong Navarro, Lastic Man, Gagamboy, sa lahat. Siya ang superhero nating
Down to ilan to? 7 na lang. Kanina nasa 14 na to.
There's a foul on jersey number 7. That is Patrick. That is set up personal foul. 14 on the shot clock, 40 seconds to shoot.
Kankan, but Paeng is there. Quick turn around and a short. Patrick, wale.
Now to 7 minutes.
Off spin move, gets two, up and
Through
over.
by Michael Ball.
Alvin gets a nice spin.
Dinala sa kaliwa.
Starting score 31 to 24 in favor of Biggs Domains, 14 on the shot clock.
Paeng, another rebound.
Paso.
As for Rebound and Mete.
Paeng din si Paeng.
two.
Another movement here. Kankan at the arc. Wow, what a rebound by Patrick. Uncontested. Copy kasi yun.
Now for 6 minutes. 14 on the shot. And the shoot.
Ganda. Walang gustong kumuha. Titira ko na lang. Hindi nila binabantay yung 3-point line.
14 on the shot.
Ponyo to Patrick out. There's a foul on the floor there.
There's a foul on jersey number 23. That is Mike Clark. Jersey number 1, that is Paul Kong. First personal foul.
Alvin finds Kankan.
And
Takes
shoot.
down. Patrick with a low pickup. Isa pa. Ibigay kay Vern. Sa kabila.
No.
Patrick, isubo niya lang.
Ay, no.
Down to 5 minutes.
Oo, suling.
Thirteen on the shuttle.
Alvin.
Charles timeout from Luis Lopez.
Timeout for Pabling.
With 4 minutes and 38 seconds.
4 minutes and 38.
28 lang.
Oh,
These are the 4:37 to 30 in favor of Luis Lopez with 17 points.
kaya. Yung shoot niya yung bulang.
Pag nebo lang yan, may Emerald lang.
Back to the 40.
May shot at na pala doon. Dito? Ay, nice. Dito wala. Bago kasi ito last time.
4 minutes and 38 seconds. Our first half of the second quarter.
May time tsaka shot clock. Okay. Ay, bago to. I-install nila yun dyan isa pa. Ay, di.
13 on the shuttle.
Okay lang to dito kasi wala man to dito. Palitan na din mag-tira yan.
Good for 2 by all balls.
There's a package for Vern among us. Getting a rhythm for the game.
Thirteen on the shuttle.
Paul Kong. Inside rim.
Out of bounds. Luis Lopez for possession. We got a short 39-30, and running by Luis Lopez. 13 on the shuttle.
And
Good
he's
for 2 by Mike Hall.
jumper.
On the shuttle.
Pass. Will Mods make it? Yes,
Good
sir.
for 2 by Patrick Val. On the shuttle.
And Mods gonna reach in and get the ball again.
On jersey number 7. Third personal foul on Patrick Val.
Otro liga,
doon. Sa iwan doon.
Two for two on the foul line. 4-2-4-3.
Now to 3 minutes.
Inside cut. Tries to drag the door. Edison feels once it gets blocked away. Burn loses it on the fast break on this side as well. Alvin out to Patrick. Inside it goes.
Replaced by Patrick Alcantara.
Goes over. Ayan. Alvin. Behind
What
the
a
back.
pass! Naku, yun lang pinig pa ni
They're
Patrick.
going on the shuttle. After shoot.
Ayaw.
What a pass!
And we'll fish it. Patrick almost make the basket counts.
Minutes para Galope. That is first personal foul.
Entrakin?
In Entrapel. A minute 55, 36, 43.
That release the pace. Now to 3 minutes.
Leading by 7.
Ama yan si Tay. Oo.
Never mind, leading by 6. Patrick, isa pa!
Replaced by Patrick Alcantara.
Michael! Nice stop. Top yun ni Kan before Yasubi. Pwede liman sinaw, man SWAT.
40 to 43. 3.2 by Pabilis the pace.
Paeng will get it down the cut.
Naku, what a pick!
Good for 2 by City.
Dumaan lang, nag-zigzag.
Now to 1 minute. Good for 2 by Mike Paul.
Mike was just easier there.
Set up to play.
Kan, isa pa.
Good for 2 by Rock City. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. For the back seconds. 14 on the shot.
Michael open for 3.
40 seconds. Set to shoot.
Out the ball.
5.
Corner, stop. No good on 2.
30 seconds.
Covered by Ryan. And ball will be same
Single
ball.
possession. 10 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Finds glass. No good.
Good for 2 by Mike Paul. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10.
Mads. Finds Alvin. Gets through.
5 seconds. That's the end of our first half of
Going to the
Alam mo
third.
yun ang pagkanta sa noon, si Patrick Aw.
Going to
Going
Going to the third with score 46 to 49. Favor for Pablings leading by 3.
Si Pai, hinga muna siya until end of third or pag fourth quarter na babalik si Pai. Diretso na siya. Pero kahit kaya pa rin ni Pai no sa ano, offensive defense. Kahit pagod na.
Hala.
Starting with our third quarter.
Third quarter underway. Finds Gibbs sealing on the inside. Will make the two. Sakto lang yung nakasil si Bak sa ilalim. Si Gibbs nakasil din siya sa para straight sa rim. Hindi mo lang makaano agaw diretsong bola eh.
13 on the shot clock.
Alvin. Finds Alvin. Basket goes.
That's the front by Julio, foul jersey number 27, that is Gibson Paul. First is the foul, Gibson Paul. He's a score 51 to 48 in favor of Public.
Mike will take the three. Goes around, straight to box. Will go straight to the rim. Nice cut by Kankan. Will get the finish. Mike goes around, wants it down. Yes, sir. Dalawang screen ginamit, ikot, pabalik sa paint. Kankan spin move straight to Alvin. Goes over. Burn will take it for the reverse. A little bit too fast on the drive there for the glass. Madadala talaga momentum ni Ibor bilis. Kaya kaso pagdating sa bola parang madala pa rin eh. Sakto lang sana ang finish ni Vern kaso parang yung momentum niya pag going yung pagbilis niya masama sa bola eh. Kailangan niya pa ng soft touch konti. Box pulls up at the long two. Selvin. Kankan with the back door to Jay Lau. Finds glass.
Tabla na. Hindi ba tayo score? Oo.
With a score 55-54, opening by Pablisa Lee. 14 on the shot clock. Back to shoot.
Give. A little bit off. Alvin, nice stop by Mike on the way.
Nakakabot ba yun ni Mike?
Substitution.
Lumagpas na siya. Nakakapag-abot pa ng niya mga daliri niya sa bola eh. On the way up ni Alvin, abot pa. Grabe.
On the shot clock. Back to shoot. 5.
Top shot there. Jay Lau. Good.
Alam mo yung mahirap. Alvin versus the tallest lineup.
Sa ano, no? Sa Pablings.
Makahit na si Alvin.
14 on the shot clock.
Oh, ayun na nga!
Swap na swap.
Tama na.
Okay, lamang na.
6 minutes.
Ayan. With the lead here in the third.
14 on the circle.
Apostol kick out pass.
Now,
Abubakar.
Puts it up, side of the board.
Here comes Dayan. Giganto for 3. Bang!
Rivers, good battle. Charge that up.
Publix for 3 or 4 minutes. No basket has been made. But Dayan getting a lot of momentum, taking back the lead with 60 to 55.
Back to the ball game.
Sintay lang kahit sila para kumigo, okay lang pwede la outside shooting, hindi mo outside shooting. Para they'll box out, isita more people inside the perimeter, around perimeter. Para ano lang pa nila, kayo put back lang ganyan basket or what.
Stop. Kaso kay Abubakar na po.
Parang gano'n lang, may tao lang sa ilalim, ano lang. And then, tao na pala tayo, di naman depensa sa
Naku.
drops in.
Pabling switch it up to man-to-man.
Paeng. No good.
Ayaw pa rin.
And to shoot.
Huli na naman ni San Juan. Cross court pass. San Juan for 3. Good for 3.
Isa pa.
Abubakar at the bay.
Forces way through, gets through. Bukan trying to fish a foul there, no good. Jib will take it all the way.
Dalawa na lang. Bosan 1 for 3.
3 for 3 on the arc.
Kung may paing kanina, may bo din ngayon.
Na.
Same spot din sila eh. Tumitira
talaga.
kanina eh. Dito din.
14 on the circle.
Catch and shoot.
And to shoot.
And that's Mike.
No, good. Again, back sa Abubakar. Good. Hirap pigilan ni Box. Looks like pagod na si Monyo din.
Basta mag-create na lang space as much as possible.
Huli ni Box. What a rejection from Box. Apostol.
3 minutes.
Outside. One more.
14 on the
4
circle.
to 3. Pasok din pa rin! Ano yung sabi mo kanina?
Kung may San Juan, may Elopre naman sa kabila. Bawian ng 3.
Deadlock po tayo. 2 minutes 45 left for the third.
14 on the circle.
Giganto.
And to shoot.
To Jelao. Pasirin. 5 to shoot. Munyo. San Juan at the buzzer. No good. Abubakar to Mike. Michael Kong. Good defense. Michael.
Ayaw
Good
pa rin.
defense for Munyo. Nakataas lang yung kamay ni Munyo dun. Giganto. Crossing over, there's a foul.
Subdivision foul.
Takot yun.
23, that is
Sobrang
one
delikado yun.
Yes, pag di mo alam yung landingan mo, delikado talaga.
Kaso lang kasi pag numayagayad,
Yes.
numayagas, no more energy ni si
Yes.
Yaman sa that type. It's either,
Pati naka 2-step behind na yun siya.
wala na, on the way up na tayo
Yes.
si Selvin nun eh. Baka magawa nun.
Hindi, foul na lang.
Scary, pero
Yes,
Kapag-
part of the game. 2-point lead again for the Giants. Magandang laban. Walang team gustong umuwi.
ako gusto ko na umuwi. Sige lang, nandito pa tayo, sabay pa tayo dito sa anong resulta for a top 4 spot here between Dayan and Pablings.
Abubakar again for the offensive rebound.
Back to shoot.
Huli ni Edison. San Juan.
Nice stop. Tries to recover. Dayan but still has it.
Jayla back to San Juan. Gandang ikot ng bola sa Jayla. Good for two.
Dayan will make the ball move.
Grabe yung pasaan yun. Everyone touch the ball. Apostol.
Gets the
Oh,
foul.
good.
There's a foul, jersey number 12, that is Herrera.
Nakawala si Apostol dun.
Substitution.
Swak. Marinig mo tayo yung net.
Any point counts at
Yes.
this moment.
Crucial points. My fourth quarter naman dun talaga malalaman. Apostol. Nating bad net.
Substitution.
70-68. Leading by 2 here for Dayan with only a minute 5. Winding down here.
San Juan in the corner.
Ayaw.
Good Edison. Offensive rebound Giganto. Spin around, there's a foul.
There's a foul, jersey number 10, that is Ormonas. First personal foul. 50 seconds, 13.
Siguro iniisip nila fourth quarter na. Or fourth quarter, third pa lang quarter na kasi.
Digdikan yung labanan.
And to shoot. 45 seconds. 5 yards to shot clock.
Jayla stop. Edison will go out for the 2.
Edison!
35 seconds.
Got a shot by Edison. There's a foul, give away foul.
There's a foul, jersey
So,
number
we will draw it.
37. Giganto, that is first personal foul.
Sideline lang.
30 seconds. to end the hour.
33 seconds left. Michael.
Mike on the post. Gets the foul on the way up.
There's a foul on jersey number 12. That is Herrera.
Hindi talaga yung maano ni Hod ni Edison.
Second person.
Lahat ng, kahit yung buong katawan niya, nagbaba na siya, na
Yeah,
ganun katawan.
okay.
No choice na yun. Kahit naka-double team na sila ni Chok Chok at that point.
Kahit
Difficult,
kahit
pero,
i-double team mo si Mike, pag mag-spin move si Mike,
may ano na, may momentum na kasi.
momentum agad. No, good.
May foul on the floor.
There's a foul, jersey number 16. That is Jude Lau. Warning for penalty on team player results. Substitution. Second person of foul, Jayla.
Murray will catch and release.
No, good.
Mike with the rebound.
No, good. Giganto!
Take it away. Penalty.
number 6, that is check the form, penalty situation.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Check form, that is second personal foul, penalty situation. 4 seconds to run our third quarter.
Titira yan.
That's the end of our third quarter.
And the third quarter, parang fourth quarter na. Pero ngayon, fourth quarter na talaga.
Grabing labanan to, guys.
The score is 74-70. Pabor sa Dayan, leading by 4.
Alam ko fourth quarter na. Alam ko fourth quarter na din. Third pa pala.
Back to the building for our last and final quarter.
Last quarter na po.
4-point lead.
Anyone's game na po talaga to. You check on the fourth for Selvin. Oh, good there. 74-70 kung kanino ang manalo sa laro nito. Burn will take straight away, just not on the
Another
roll.
rebound for Alvin Muñoz. Giganto, one hand, good for two. Defending champ pala yung Pabwings, no?
Actually, no?
What a pass!
And
Oh
that's a
my
piece.
God, there's a
There's
foul.
a foul on jersey number 20. That is Alvin Muñoz. Second personal foul on Muñoz.
Third, big two.
Say 672. Selvin.
Fires a foul.
There's
Mababa.
number 84, that is back second of bar. First personal foul.
Jersey number na yung score ni Giganto ng Giants.
Wow. Grado ko man yan. Yan ang grado ko.
Yes, pasado.
78-72. Leading by 6.
Box in the paint. Take a pass. Elobre in the corner. In and out. Good box out. Here comes Giants. Agila nakawala. No good.
Box was straight away. Fire! Come down.
Not.
Injury timeout.
Okay, good.
Si Umano. Uy. Yung cut.
Sinitapos yung...
Bakit yun?
Sabi yun. Nabola? Kaso ba yung pa sa last play?
Advantage start po.
Yung tira man letres.
Hindi kay Gil.
So back to the
Baka yan
play.
ba? On the way down?
18 on the shot clock.
Baka
18
dun.
seconds to go. May bang-
Di namano ka di
18
Patrick,
seconds
Patrick
to go.
ata.
Na braces ni Suyo?
Oo.
Na previous pag yan before na man tira? Oo. Landog.
14 on the shot clock.
Medyo, nisita, ayaw. Si bike na lang
Good
diretso.
work to the right. Right ball.
Down to 1.
14 on the shot clock. And to shoot. 5.
Kanchan will take it.
No good. Here comes Pabling. Huli ni Basiri.
Single possession. This is the last and final quarter. 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Fourteen on the shot clock. Back to shoot.
Kicks it out. Finds
What
the
a
pass.
find! Di lang pumasok.
Burn was stopped.
Omongos.
And
Score
Bobby
number
there.
2. Lamang na yung Chum.
It's 8 minutes and 54 seconds on our last and final quarter. Official scores 79 to 78. Long play lead by Baboon Philippines.
Previous play. Ako mag-previous play. Aki kun Patrick. Dito ata yun no. Pero aki kun. Dapat yung tulo niya. Aki Pardel. Dugo. In the way ka sa'yo. Siguro sa release na lang. Bukas na yun. Tapos ni-release niya eh. Doon yung nagbukas ng na sugat. Nakashoot din. Siguro may ganun lang yun. Mas bigla pag ganun niya na. Okay na pag ganun niya ba. Bumukas yung sugat siguro mo. Kaya.
What a find! Ayaw lang. Na-miss.
Finds Vern. Straight. Up and over.
By 3 na yung Pabling. Ganon-ganon lang. Nabura yung kalamangan ng Dayans.
Binawian na ng Pabling.
14 on the shot clock.
Fourth quarter na naman yung problema ng Dayans.
And to shoot.
Chok-chok.
Yes,
Good
sir.
for 2.
Shot clock. Warning on jersey number 24, delaying the game. We're down to 6 minutes.
80 to 81.
14 on the shot clock. And to shoot.
Vern. Foul on the floor.
There's the foul, jersey number 8, there's someone.
Plaster.
First aid, check naman first aid.
Luway ko yan. May plaster.
JJ.
First of all, that's someone. And to shoot.
Nice back door. Mike will
Wow,
make it in.
Thirteen on the shot clock. And to shoot. 5.
Alvin will take it. Dantan. And
Straight away, ball is loose.
What a fuck!
Pasok pa rin.
Working on the shuttle.
Burn. Kicks it out. Step back three. Mike is there. Put it back in.
Working on the shuttle. Back to shoot.
Ball will fire the three. No good.
Here comes Pablings. Chance to add their lead.
14 on the shuttle. Back to shoot.
Mismatch sa baba.
Burn. Swatted back, but ball will take it all the way to Selvin. Nope, straight to the paint. Nice D. All ball.
Second substitution. Substitution. 19 on the shuttle. That is substitution. We're down to 4 minutes and 6 seconds to end our last and final quarter. Routine on the shuttle. Back to shoot.
Selvin with
Big
another
for two.
84 to 85, one by Pablings Solis. Routine on the shuttle.
Naku, bad pass.
Here comes Giganto. Good for two. Dayan takes the lead. Kaya lang ano yun.
Routine on the shuttle. Back to shoot.
Huli!
Another bad pass.
Yo, dos beses na si Giganto eh. Dos beses na kasi si Giganto.
And a lot of miscommunication.
There's now jersey number 6. There's Dr. Brown. Third personal foul, jersey number 6, substitution.
88 to 85. 2 minutes 54. Leading by 3. Dayan will hold on. Mike is there.
Alvin for offensive, defensive class rather.
Working on the shuttle. Back to shoot.
Selvin.
There's a foul, jersey number 6 again. Dr. Brown, substitution.
Warning for penalty here for side of Dayan.
Warning for penalty.
Warning, 4 yaw, 4 yaw.
Burn calls it. Fires.
So good.
Hook. And that's a foul there.
Looks like J-Law.
Jersey number 16, that is Lee Lau.
Good luck by Alvin. Kaso may foul sa baba.
Nakahawak pa rin yung mga in off hand. Nakahawak.
Nakita ni Rep yun, bawal yan.
Bawal if makita.
Pero yan. Same siya next week.
One point lead by Pablings West Cluster, 88-87. And to shoot.
Stop.
Klaro.
Single for 7. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds to
Clock,
shoot.
4 seconds to shoot.
Patrick backdoor cut. Mirabo. Hindi. Sabi yung man fake si Patrick Apuera cover man backdoor din. Usually ang sino malitase, di ba? Man sinali cover backdoor.
Good name kay
And Sir J. Lau.
Oo, kaso nasa baba talaga siya ng ring.
Oh, kapag a little bit wider yun siya, okay, makaglass pa siya.
Parang ano na yun eh. Here comes Mike. Apostol for the lead. Ayaw talaga.
Save possession rebound.
Huli ni Monyo. Another stop.
Pull ang pass.
Ako palitan ng turnover. Here comes Omongos. Drop pass. Gibson go.
Give yan.
Gibson.
88-89.
Poplins taking the lead. Walang gustong magpatalo.
13 on the shot clock.
May fouls to give pa ang
Yes,
Pablings.
ang layo pa ng foul.
Selby
Kay
na ba?
Canto.
Ayaw.
No good. Here comes
And
Poplins.
on to 1 minute. 14 on the shot clock. And to shoot.
Mike.
Apostol. Naku, sobra.
85 seconds.
Giganto.
80 seconds.
Pasiri for the lead. Bang! Good for 3!
Thirty-six seconds.
91-89.
Grabe naman yung tres ni Basiri dun. Up by 2 yung Giants.
Go big, go home talaga.
Oh,
30 seconds.
Amongos.
14 on the shot clock.
Back to Gibson. Waiting for a pick. Amongos crossing over.
Fights Mike.
Mike Kong, there's a foul.
There's a foul, jersey number 27. That is Alpina. First personal foul.
Kilaya, boss? Pwede, boss.
Shoot one.
Nako-conclusion yung miss mo. Mike Kong.
28 seconds.
Para sa'yo, i-shoot or
Final quarter.
Rebound niya. Penalty. If man shoot lema possession dayan, run down the clock lang. Kuya kita fouls.
bag sa bubangar!
Will draw another foul.
And there's a foul.
Dapat miss talaga yun eh.
Number 20. That is Muñoz.
Another.
Third personal foul.
Kasi kapag i-shoot po yun yung last free throw, possession ng dayan, wala nang foul, meron pa fouls to give oh.
Yes, nasa kamay ngayon ni Box. First free throw for Box. Pass
So-
nating bad net.
Pasawan, entra or man play for the win ya kita.
Hindi ko alam. Parang makaka-overtime ba? Wag. Alaga. Pumas! Doot nga!
Diana George Dresser. That block 91 under 21 seconds.
91-25 on the
Ito
time.
makikita yung giganto plays.
Papasok na ang drawing board natin kung anong mangyari sa last seconds of the game.
Yun ang problema, hindi nila na-box out.
Yun lang.
seconds and only 25 seconds. 20 seconds.
They did the double here, but the pass slips through.
14 on the shot clock. Left to shoot. 5 to shoot.
On the floor. Last 6 for Dayan. With a play from Dayan will come in.
6 seconds.
6 seconds left.
Ball jersey number 11. Second person of Boston. 14 foul. Guys, time out.
More time out for Dayan, using this time for make a play to maybe end the game as it is now.
Panalo na sana yan siya, no? Kung napak sa tula.
Ano kasi, slip screen, double screen, first screen bait, slip screen ikados.
May isang foul pa eh.
Oh,
Pwede pa magbigay yung public sanction. Pero ay,
very
feel ko
tight.
winning shot talaga to ngayon. Nakaramdaman ko doon. Parang wala ng overtime.
Man double screen sa sila, Sale Afuera. Habang
Oh,
Mandela sila,
yes,
sila
yes.
open man na entero, screen nyo, deha sila. Dali,
Yes.
4.4 seconds.
Giganto for we the win! Basket Yun na yung sabi ko sa'yo!
Nanginginig balahibo mo. Tamang hula mo.
Grabe, yun na yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Walang overtime.
94-91.
Wala na yan sa rules na yan, di ba?
No yase if el exacto rules gayud no yase ese mga 0.6 or whatever point if na NBA rules
Ay, mali.
Oo, pero yun.
NBA rules hindi yase counted no yase
Oo, akala ko 4-point line na to. Ay, hindi
Lag-
pala.
lagpas na
Pickleball line.
pickleball line.
0.6 seconds.
Ano mo, manisip ko doon ang pag-tripping nito ngayon pang pa-open.
0.6 seconds.
Meron pa ganyan.
Dali sila kun box or kun mic.
Feel ko kaya ano to, Mike to. Andito ba si Mike sa loob?
Hello? Dos mic. Box pa ka. Enter pa tres ni box sa puwera eh.
0.6. Apostol! Ay! Muntikan pa yun!
And ayun
What
na.
a game!
Beautiful end to our
Beautiful
elimination round. And next week, semi sabot tayo at papasok sa top 4 ang Dayan Resort Splashers who scored 94 to 91. Dayan, you'll be moving on to top 4 with Kamayan Heat, 7-6, and Johan's Pharma Force. See you all to compete all these 4 teams towards the end and who will be our champion for this season's Wednesday League. See you all till next time. Tune in dito po sa amin sa Wednesday League. Thank you very much for your support and see you all till next time. Bye-bye.